In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create branch in Bitbucket repository. Branching lets you develop features, fix bugs, or experiment without touching your main code line. It keeps work isolated and makes collaboration cleaner. Let's walk through the exact clicks you'll make in Bitbucket, along with a few practical tips so you know why each choice matters. Start by opening Bitbucket in your browser and signing in with your Atlassian account. If you see options for different sign-in methods, choose the Google sign-in button if that's what your team uses. When your Google accounts appear, pick the correct one for work. This takes you into your Bitbucket workspace. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and open repositories. This is where all the projects you can access are listed. Click the repository where you want to create a branch. Inside the repo, find and select branches. This page shows existing branches and their recent activity, which is useful to confirm you're branching from the right starting point. Now select Create Branch. Bitbucket will ask for a few details. First, choose a branch type. If your repository uses the branching model, you'll see options like feature, bug fix, release, or hotfix. Picking the correct type helps your team keep branches organized and automatically applies a helpful prefix. If you're adding a new enhancement, feature is a good default. Next, choose the source branch. This is the branch your new branch will be based on. Most teams branch from main or develop depending on their workflow. Choose the most up-to-date branch to minimize merge conflicts later. In the branch name field, type a clear descriptive name. A good convention is lowercase with hyphens like feature/login form validation, and many teams include an issue or ticket ID up front. Keep it short but specific so others immediately understand the purpose. When everything looks right, click Create. Bitbucket will create the branch on the remote repository and take you back to the branches view, where you'll see your new branch listed. From here, teammates can fetch it and you can start committing changes against it. When your work is complete, you'll typically open a pull request to merge back into your target branch, following your team's review process. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. Make sure you have the right permissions for the repo. Confirm you're branching from the latest source and stick to your team's naming standards so automation and protections like branch permissions work as intended. That's it, your branch is ready